Alright, so since I got my tier 5 chest tokens, I only got 3 days, but that's enough for a charged armor. So because of that, I got charged armor on my dragon. So doing another one. Oh, I forgot to post it. My ally wants to see it. Being careful here because been getting sniped by a couple of people. Alright, my glitz already got hit. Yeah, they're easy though. So, okay, so I have charged armor on my dragon. Just one MX, one M charged armor. You can see just one little red line. So, as you can see, I was able to do this completely with one, doing this method. I have the Motorhead's crew, which is important to have. So let's see how it works. Oh, that's even better. Okay, not bad damage wise. Uh, Very good. It does take a beating from the charged armor, so a big pool can help. But did I even post it? Yeah, I posted it. No one's watching. No one cares about my shit. So there we go. So it does take a beating, and you need more than one charged armor. But with all the countering of the mortars, because if the mortar hit, it might hit my uh, zelos. That's really a lot better than what I thought it would be. And with I only have I have 4 rockets on it, 1 siege V, so theoretically it should be the same speed. Or I thought it was. I don't know. I have to test it out, test the speed out. But more charged armor. Oh shit! So I got my zelos. Okay, well you're gonna die too then. Got my monolith and my monolith, but my zelos didn't take that much. Yeah, watch out for that last shot. So now I've run out of charged armor, so that's where I'll take direct damage. So in order to up your dragon's pool, you need more charged armor. And 1 charged armor did that much, so it's not bad. So maybe 3 in total. And really, that's honestly the only charged armor I would put is I'd put maybe 1. Wait, good 3 and 2. That's a safe bet right there. But really, I'd say maybe 1 charged X at max. Oh, not max. Just for safety. Because this is really good. Got a little damage, but that was because of my driving. And so driving is a really big deal in this. Snipe that. Thing is, you can snipe those. That's just the most important thing for me is that we can snipe that sucker. See, that could have been really bad, but it didn't. So, looking good, looking good. And that should splash out. Finally, someone watches. Looks like I got some mortar hits. And so snipe this guy. So with one charged armor, I was able to, with little problems here and there, get this, save my dragon to half health. So that's really good. Because before I was killing it for about a quarter. And so with one charged armor at half, so maybe with three it would be even better than that. I don't know. And, more dragons, can prove better. And so that's one done. That sucks. Okay. So let's check out how much damage total I got. That was a really successful, good hit. So not bad, not bad. Oh, okay. You're going to tell me that now. Okay, I got 500 points off that. Yay! So total it's 3 hours, but with, let's just say, where is it? I've been doing a lot of tests with my dragons. So it's 1 hour 30 minutes on that one dragon. So, and it just has one charged M, MX3, high yield warheads, garrison battery, and RFX engine. So I also have one siege rocket. So supposedly it's supposed to be as fast as my zelos. Don't know yet. I mean, it shows progress. What was the problem was my monoliths were faster because it does have speed system 6, which is faster than my zelos hydraulic resistors, and then the RFK or what's it called? RFX engine. RFK, no, RFX. So, really good successful hit right there. But now I have to repair my. Why are you messing with me? Go away. Operation failed. What? Oh, okay, well, I'll leave it at that. Successful hit. I like it. I like it a lot. So, till next time, I want to just do this stuff slow as much as I can. But I'm only doing those 4 specials right now: the engine, siege battery, the high yield warheads, and the MX3 for now. Don't know what I'm going to do for the other 2 specials. I'm thinking of explosion system 4, and then maybe the uh, some other type of splash, or minus spread, because the spread will be a big deal in this thing to help you get through the walls. So, but until next time, pirates, charged armor, it looks good so far.